I think last week at the conceptual level, I probably said the one thing that is sort of beneath everything we're doing as we try to stand up MECLABS AI or AI in general. I'll start the phrase, you finish it, and then we'll move on. The phrase was, you don't learn MECLABS AI, you get to
know it.
Know it. Can you see the difference in how you respond? Now, it actually helps the unit to respond better, but candidly, it will help you respond better. Everybody who has a Microsoft, like I'm working on a Surface that's connected to other things, I'm going to go to the search bar at the bottom. This is the easiest way to find it, is type in voice access. I think it's primarily a feature for people who perhaps can't do more. Do you see the top of my screen has a bar on it now? Oh my goodness. I have never had dictation software anywhere close to as good as these simple native apps right now. And when you combine them with MECLABS AI, your experience should be more like this. And when I say this with you, I want you to notice not speed. I won't even try to go fast. I want you to notice that I'm talking, that I don't correct myself by going back to edit. I just correct myself in the conversation. That I don't talk like I'm organizing marketing things to put in front of MECLABS AI. And I want you to notice that when you have a conversation taking place, it seems to be more genitive. It seems to produce more ideas, more stimulation, more thinking. But watch this. Now I'm in voice access. I'm going to tick off sleep mode. If I speak to you, I'll type into here. So for just give me like a 60 seconds. I need to study a website and apply the MYA. Give me the website, somebody.
www.lifeboost.com.
Lifeboost.com.
Coffee. Lifeboost coffee. Sorry, forgot the coffee.
Uh-oh. Now I'm going to go back to dictation. You've seen a little bit of this, but I'm trying to show you how good voice activation works. So boom. I'm preparing a value proposition for this business period. I need a refresher period. Please design a 6-session course, 15 minutes a day, that will explain the value proposition and its methodology in detail. Help me review it with flashcards and provide an FAQ that I can consult afterwards. I'm planning a project right now, period. I need to launch a new business in a new market, period. The market is Cincinnati. It's a 90-day launch plan, period. Please bring to bear all of MECLABS methodology in a way that will help me think about the best way to approach this launch. You produce an outline and project planner will help us get the detail. Now I'm going to go up. I put it on sleep mode. You see what's going on, folks? I need a nurture email series that will help me in this launch. Write a 3 nurture email series for my business, period. As you know, my business is coffee. Now let's go back up for a second. Guys, look what's going on here. There's your copywriter, and it's really reviewing the page, looking at the page, and it's really applying our method. These are the 8 micro yeses, and it's applying a criterion, and it's giving answers. And then while it's doing that, guess what's happening? Copywriter is working, and there is the next analysis. And now comes the 90-day launch plan from pre-launch. Look, 30 days. It's using our codes. Look. Define the target customers, offer development value proposition.
Redacted.
Create distinctive, it's telling you what to do. Pre-launch strategy, days 29 to 25. Branding and positioning, now, as that is unfolding, if you go here, you could also say to project planner, okay, let's build a project plan with detailed numbered tasks. Put it in a table. I want to execute the 90-day launch plan. Now what's going to happen is that output is going to come here. Do you see that we're just talking? And do you see how voice makes it easier? I'm not going to go further. You've seen things like this before and how it might help you get more out of MECLABS AI. Let's look at this plan just to take a moment. What happens is the screen's kind of small, so I'm going to make it a little bit smaller so you can see it. Let's go up to the top. We have our task description, our response, our start date, our end date, our dependencies, and our status all the way through.